If you've been spending money on skincare, hair products, or nail treatments, and still not seeing real results, there's a reason for that. And it's not your products. Because what most people don't realize is this: your skin, your hair, and even your nails are actually reflections of what's happening inside your body. And if you don't fix that first, nothing you put on the outside will ever fully work. Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you why healthy skin, strong hair, and resilient nails don't start on the surface. They start from within. And more importantly, what you can actually do to support your body so you start seeing real, lasting results. The inside-out rule: why external fixes aren't enough. Most people are taught to treat what they see. Dry skin? Use a cream. Hair falling out? Use a treatment. Weak nails? Use a strengthening polish. And while those things can help temporarily, they don't address why those problems are happening in the first place. Because your skin, your hair, and your nails are not isolated parts of your body. They are reflections of your internal health. Think of your body like a system. Everything is connected. Your skin is your largest organ. Your hair is built from proteins your body produces. Your nails depend on minerals and overall balance. So when something starts to change on the outside, it's often your body sending a signal. Not the problem itself, but a symptom of something deeper. For example, if your skin looks dull or irritated, that could be linked to inflammation or poor nutrition. If your hair is thinning, that could be related to stress, hormones, or nutrient deficiencies. If your nails are brittle or breaking, that could be a sign your body isn't getting enough minerals. Now here's the important part. You can try to cover these symptoms, but unless you support the body internally, they tend to come back. This is why so many people feel stuck. They try product after product, routine after routine, but the results don't last. And it's not because they're doing something wrong. It's because they're only addressing the surface. Think about a plant for a moment. If the leaves start to dry out, you can spray them with water, and they might look better for a little while. But if the roots aren't getting what they need, the problem will keep coming back. Your body works the same way. The essential nutrients your body needs to stay healthy. So now that you understand that your skin, hair, and nails reflect what's happening inside your body, the next question is, what does your body actually need to support them properly? Because here's the truth. Your body cannot create healthy skin, strong hair, or durable nails without the right building blocks. And those building blocks come from nutrients, not from products, not from quick fixes, but from what you consistently give your body every day. Why nutrients matter. Your body is constantly repairing, rebuilding, and regenerating itself. Your skin renews itself. Your hair grows in cycles. Your nails are continuously forming, and all of that requires resources. So if your body doesn't have enough nutrients, it simply cannot maintain those systems properly. Priority principle. And here's something very important most people don't realize. Your body prioritizes survival over appearance. So if nutrients are limited, they go to your brain, your organs, your vital systems first, not your skin, not your hair, not your nails. Which is why these are often the first places where deficiencies show up. Let's break down some of the key nutrients your body needs and why they matter. Vitamin A supports skin repair and cell turnover. Vitamin C, essential for collagen production, helps keep skin firm and resilient. Protein and biotin, critical for hair structure and growth. Hair is made primarily of protein, so without it, growth suffers. Minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc support nail strength and overall tissue health. And then you have antioxidants, which help protect your body from internal stress and damage. So when you look at it simply, healthy skin, hair, and nails aren't created by what you apply. They're created by what your body has available to use. And in many cases, people aren't lacking effort. They're lacking the right internal support. So now, the next piece becomes even more important. Because even if you're consuming the right nutrients, that doesn't always mean your body is actually using them. Let's talk about absorption and why it matters more than most people think. The gut connection. Are you absorbing what you eat? So now you know your body needs the right nutrients to support healthy skin, hair, and nails. But here's where things get interesting. Just because you're consuming the right nutrients doesn't mean your body is actually absorbing them. This is one of the most overlooked factors in natural health. Because a lot of people say, I eat healthy, I take supplements, so why am I not seeing results? And the answer often comes down to this: absorption. Because your body doesn't benefit from what you eat, it benefits from what it can actually absorb and use. What the gut does. Your gut is responsible for breaking down food, extracting nutrients, and delivering them to where your body needs them. So if your gut is functioning well, your body gets what it needs. But if your digestion is off, even the healthiest diet won't fully support you. When absorption fails, when your body isn't absorbing nutrients properly, a few things can happen. You may develop nutrient deficiencies, your energy levels can drop, and over time, it starts to show externally. That's when people begin to notice dull or irritated skin, slower hair growth, weak or brittle nails, and they often don't connect it back to digestion. Common causes. So what affects absorption? There are a few common factors. Poor digestion. If food isn't broken down properly, nutrients can't be absorbed efficiently. Gut imbalance. Your gut environment plays a role in how nutrients are processed. Chronic stress. Stress can directly impact digestion and nutrient uptake. Inflammation, which can interfere with how your body handles nutrients. And here's the key. These things don't always show up immediately. They build over time. Think of it like this. Eating healthy food without proper absorption is like filling your car with fuel, but the engine isn't running properly. The fuel is there, but it's not being used efficiently. And this leads us to another key factor, because even when absorption improves, there's something else that can still interfere with your results, and that's inflammation. Let's take a closer look at that next. Hidden inflammation, the silent cause of poor skin, hair, and nails. Inflammation is something most people associate with pain or injury, but in reality, it can exist in the body at low levels for long periods of time without obvious symptoms. And when that happens, it can affect your skin, your hair, and your nails in ways you might not expect. What inflammation does. Think of inflammation as a form of internal stress. When it's short-term, it can be helpful, but when it becomes chronic, it starts to disrupt normal processes in your body, including skin regeneration, hair growth cycles, nutrient usage, cellular repair. And over time, those disruptions begin to show externally. How it shows up. This is where people start to notice things like skin that looks dull, irritated, or uneven, hair that feels thinner or weaker, nails that break more easily. And again, they often try to fix these issues externally, without realizing the root cause may be internal. Common triggers. So what contributes to chronic inflammation? There are a few common triggers. Diet. Highly processed foods and excess sugar can increase internal stress. Chronic stress can affect your body in multiple ways, including inflammation. Lifestyle habits. Lack of sleep, low activity, or poor routines. And sometimes it's a combination of factors building up over time. You can think of inflammation like background noise in your body. It's not always loud enough to notice right away, but over time, it interferes with how everything functions, and eventually, you start seeing the effects. The important thing to understand is this: your body is constantly trying to restore balance, and when you begin to support it properly, that internal environment can improve. The next step is understanding how to actually support your body in a practical way, using natural approaches that fit into your daily routine. Why natural ingredients work? Natural ingredients, especially plant-based ones, often contain a combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, plant compounds. And what makes them unique is that they work together, not as isolated elements, but as a system. This is one of the reasons ingredients like moringa have become so popular in natural wellness. Because moringa is incredibly nutrient-dense, it contains a wide range of essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and when used consistently, it can help support the body internally in multiple ways at once. But it's important to understand this clearly. Natural ingredients are not magic solutions. They don't work overnight, and they're not meant to replace everything else. Instead, they work as part of a long-term approach to supporting your body. How they support skin, hair, and nails. When your body starts receiving consistent support, a few things can begin to improve over time. Nutrient availability increases, internal balance improves, inflammation may decrease. And as those internal systems improve, that's when people often start noticing changes externally. Practical integration. You don't need a complicated routine, just consistent daily support, whether that's through your diet or through high-quality natural supplements. The people who see the best results are not the ones doing the most. They're the ones doing the right things consistently. So now the final piece is this. How do you actually start applying this in your daily routine in a way that's simple and sustainable? How to start supporting your body for real results. Step 1. Focus on your foundation. Look at what you're giving your body daily. Ask yourself, am I getting enough whole, nutrient-rich foods? Am I supporting my body or just getting by? Even small improvements here can make a big difference over time. Step 2. Add consistent support. This is where natural, nutrient-dense ingredients can help, not as a replacement, but as a way to fill gaps and support your body daily. The key here is consistency, not intensity. A small amount taken regularly is far more effective than doing too much all at once. Step 3. Build a simple routine. For example, taking something in the morning, staying consistent each day, paying attention to how your body responds. You don't need perfection. You need something you can actually stick to. Step 4. Support your body holistically. Remember, it's not just about what you take. Your body is influenced by sleep, stress, daily habits. Supporting your body means looking at the bigger picture, not just one single solution. Step 5. Set realistic expectations. This is where many people give up too early. They expect fast results, but real lasting changes take time. Your body needs time to rebuild, repair, restore balance. So give it that time. The people who see the best results are not the ones chasing quick fixes. They're the ones who stay consistent with simple, effective habits. If you're looking for a simple way to start, we've linked a few high-quality options in the description. Powders and capsules that can easily fit into your daily routine. And if you found this video useful, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.